Hey guys, Mr. K here, and I'm back with a different review. This time, I'll be reviewing an Android TV, the Syinix 50A1S. It's part of the high-end, A24K series by Syinix. So yeah, let's check it out. Now, a bit of a backstory for those who are not familiar with the Syinix brand. It's actually a Japan-based professional home appliance brand that has been around for a while now, as far back as 2016. Now, one of their recent releases is this 50-inch Android smart TV that goes for around 175,000 naira, depending on the platform. Now, with this affordable price range, typical questions come into mind. For example, is this worth your money? How is the display or the Android TV experience? And yeah, we're going to delve into all of that, so make sure you watch till the end where we talk about all of the smart features. Now, kicking things off with the display and the connectivity, and the Syinix 50A1S is a really thin and light TV. Now guys, it weighs about 9.3 kg. I mean, I was able to carry this guy with both hands without any stress. Now, I think it does look sleek, especially with that gold accent beneath the TV. And one of the things that I feel makes this TV modern looking is the fact that it comes with a frameless design. So we're getting thin bezels on the sides and the top. And yet the bottom bezels is a little bit thicker because it has to accommodate the Syinix logo. But I think it still works. The bezels are not distracting in any way. Now, inside the box, you get two stands that have been attached to the side of the TV. And as expected, it requires a table that is at least as wide as the TV. Now, one of the things many people care about when buying TVs, especially in this day and age, is the amount of ports, and there are plenty amount of ports here, guys. So we have 3 HDMI ports, 2 USB ports, 1 Ethernet port, 1 tuner port with the antenna and satellite, 1 mini AV input, 1 headphone jack, and 1 optical connector port for digital audio output. So you see, that's a lot of ports, and that's very good. However, the ports are located inwards from the edge, making it quite hard to reach. Now guys, like all smart TVs, we have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0. I think I was kind of surprised with the Bluetooth 5.0. I was expecting to see 4.2, given that's what comes with most TVs, in this price range. But yeah, one of the things that you should notice is that it only supports 2.5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. But yeah, moving on to the display, which is like the most important consideration for a TV. And this guy comes with a 4K UHD resolution, and you're getting really good picture clarity, which can, be fully experienced by playing 4K content. Now guys, with this TV, I encourage you to try out 4K content to appreciate just how clear and sharp the display is. I don't even think my camera is doing it justice. But it also comes with HDR10 technology, which makes video content look really good with enough dynamic range. Now, specs wise, the peak brightness is set to 250 nits, and you can also tweak the picture settings to your taste. Now guys, the 50A1S has decent reflection handling. It was also able to handle a small amount of light to an extent. But yeah, let's talk about the sound, and I don't think the sound from this TV is very loud. Here's how it sounds at 80%. And here's how it sounds at 100%. So let me increase it to 100, and here we go. So personally, I don't really think it's quite loud, but it comes with a 210-watt stereo speakers with Dolby audio processing, and it also supports an external audio system through its optical connection, along with the Bluetooth. So you can connect this guy to a theater sound system for that immersive sound experience. Now, coming to the performance, and the Syinix TV is powered by a quad-core processor, and yeah, you are getting a lower power GPU, and the RAM on this guy is actually 1.5 with 8 gigs of internal storage, most of which has been taken up by the Android OS. So we're only getting about 5 gig of usable storage. By the way, the Android OS on this TV is actually Android Pie. But yeah, specs aside, the TV performed well. During my time, I didn't notice any significant lag. And yes, for the overall performance, it took me about 36 seconds to boot up. And there's also a standby mode if you switch it on and off from the remote. So in a way, you resume immediately where you left off. So like I said earlier, I didn't notice any lag or stutter while operating the UI, which is quite good. Now, what also helps is this remote. So the TV comes with a full function remote control that supports voice control. And yeah, it has a Google Voice button which prompts the voice control. And guys, it works really smooth. So for example, you can say, open YouTube.
Opening YouTube.
Yeah, so the remote also has hotkeys for Netflix, Amazon, Google Play, and YouTube. Now, moving on to the user interface and smart features, and like I said previously, the Syinix 50A1S runs the official Android Pie OS for TV. So we're getting the stock UI, and there's no third-party launcher here. Everything is clean. Now, there's a role of your favorite applications and roles for suggested content from different online streaming service you probably install. And like on your Android phone, you have your Play Store to download applications. But guys, one thing to note, especially for those who are just coming into the Android TV experience, and yet it's the fact that the Android Play Store on Android TVs are only streamlined for applications that are compatible with the TV. Now, as for the pre-installed applications, you get a good number of them. For example, we have Amazon Prime, we have Live TV, Netflix, and all of this. The TV also comes with a Chromecast built in, so you can connect your laptop or phone to the TV automatically. Now, like I said earlier, this TV comes with a full Google Assistant with voice control on the remote. It is also integrated with your Google account, so you can ask about the weather in your home location and even your current traffic condition on the road to work. You can also ask it to open any applications you have installed or play a movie on Netflix, which is pretty cool for a TV experience. Now, one thing I'd like to mention apart from using the remote is the fact that you can actually download a remote app on your phone and use your phone as a remote along with voice control, which I think is quite handy in cases where you can't find a remote, and for me that is like 80% of the time. Now, moving on to gaming, and the Play Store supports lots of cool games compatible with the TV. Now, with a supported gamepad, some racing games like Asphalt 8 can be played well on the TV, which is cool. But with just the remote, you can only play games like Red Ball, which was fun, and some other 2D games. So in my opinion, I think getting a gamepad is quite essential to playing the better games on this TV. Now, in conclusion, and like I said earlier, the Syinix 50A1S can be purchased for around 175,000 naira with a year warranty, and at this price you get a very nice all-round TV with sharp pictures, smart features, and a wide array of connectivity options. Now, there are many big brands operating in the affordable television space, but only a handful offer premium features like 4K screens, HDR10 support. Overall, I think that the Syinix 50A1S is considerably affordable and it offers enough to justify the price. But yeah, let me know what you think about this TV. Let me know what you think about the brand also. And yeah, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll see you in the next one.